Hello everyone, welcome to my Divine Commissions review, and in this Divine Commissions review I will discuss all about what is this Divine Commissions and all about my exclusive bonuses, all about the upgrades and the discount options. So let's start the Divine Commissions review. Divine Commissions is going to launch on 12th October at 10 AM EST on Warrior Plus Network by Trevor and Jonas. This is an awesome training method. So what is actually Divine Commissions? So Divine Commissions is a result-backed method or a training method that Jonas has been using for months. He is able to predictability turn $1 into $10 every single time. Yes, he is able to turn $1 into $10 every single time using this traffic source. I am going to show you, and I will show you the members area. So this is a 100% results based info product, a training product that will teach any newbie how to go from zero to hero by turning $1 to $10 using Google Ads. Yes, it's about Google Ads, but don't worry, you don't going to lose your money. It's a huge return of investment. You always get $1 into $10 or more using the Google Ads, and Jonas has been trying this method to promote high ticket offers that pay him big with minimal risk, and he was able to make $30,000 by spending only $3,000. Let's see, he has made $27,000 in profit. From $3,000 he has made $30,000. So see the possibility, and you are going to learn exact process, and you have no headaches, no boring research, just copy and paste. Yes, just copy and paste. Then you will be able to get traffic overnight and get $1,000 commissions immediately, and you don't need to wait because it's Google Ads method and it's proven, and Jonas and Trevor are always transparent on their result. So don't worry, and these guys have figured out a way for you to automate everything, and it doesn't rely on YouTube, Amazon, autoresponders, offline marketing, eBay, webinars or pitching clients. This is absolutely so. Why you need Divine Commissions? The first one is amazing return of investment. Users are turning $1 into $10, $15 or even $20 consistently. So the main cause you need Divine Commissions, the training method, is amazing return of investment. You have no possibility to lose your money because you are turning $1 into $10, $15 or $20 consistently, and start lucrative campaigns for less than the piece of Starbucks coffee. Okay, and zero experience needed because this is absolutely easy and quick, and the setup process is also very easy, and no copywriting or tech skill needed. You don't need to do any tech expert, and then this copy paste system is paint by numbers easy, and we walk you through the step by step, so there's no zero confusion. There will be no confusion because in this members area Jonas will take you step by step training, so there's nothing left on the table. This is very easy, and this is a step by step training, so there will be no confusion. And the third one is proof. Yes, the proof. The system is backed by real results and can give you life changing income, and Trevor and Jonas are always transparent about their results. You will see the live results, so there will be no worry. So this is the member area. First you will see the welcome video from Philip, and then the welcome video from Dan. Then this is a free training of $43,000 in just 7 days, a free training. This is awesome. Then case study and overview. This is the intro of Jonas. Then you will see the overview, and this is the case study, live case study. how Jonas making this type of results using this, and this is the maintaining why Google Ads, and then finding products to promote, then website intro, how to make your review, then Google Ads setup, how to set up your ad, selling to 5 figures, and the conclusions. So this is awesome cause he is turning $1 to $10, $15, or even $20. Huge ROI, amazing ROI, and this is consistently. So this is a awesome training and a masterclass training, and this is actually a real method and a brand new method. You have heard like this is a brand new method, this is a brand new method, and later you discover that this method is rehashed from other products, or the some products are released on some months back. But this is actually a brand new method. You have never seen this method before. So I highly recommend to watch this training and start to make lucrative income and change your life. And these are my exclusive bonus bundle over $33,000. When you purchase Divine Commissions through my special link what I have put in the description box, you will get all of these bonuses automatically. The first one is YouTube Velocity. This is a software to unlock, set and forget free traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. And this is Meep software, this is Shina software. See, this is very custom. This match with the training Meep. Meep puts the wind and your campaign bag, guides it over 3 gigantic platform. It is a virtual traffic on tap at your fingerprints, and you are going to show on how to turn this traffic into cold hard commissions, discovery ad codes, and bonus page generator software. This is very essential. This is also a software for free buyer traffic in your chosen niche. And this is a Genovia software. This is a fantastic software, Cleopatra. This traffic software brings free buyer traffic from LinkedIn, which is a business social media, and it automates everything, the profit strategy on LinkedIn. This is a Golden Stash. Tweetex is another software for bringing free traffic from Twitter, a software. And forget about Broke, Nova. This is a software for bringing target audience from TikTok, and you will also get the upgrades with this software. The Lazy Traffic Sniper, List Lariat, Aerial Assassin, Midas Task, Traffic Underdog, 6-figure secret. This is a to Z blueprint for becoming a 6-figure earners. This is the Traffic Booster. Then Affiliate Takeoff. This is awesome. And the Super Shakedown. This is a super affiliate masterclass. Profit Scope. Hijack big affiliates traffic and commissions by placing your offers over the top. And Profit Force. This is awesome. Octagon. There are lots of bonuses worth over $33,000. When you purchase through my special link what I have put in the description, you will get all of these bonuses automatically. And this is about the upgrades. The first upgrade is Pro version. With the Pro version, you will get more training, case studies, and extra hacks on how to 10 times your traffic and get more results with less effort. And the upgrade 2 is done for you. What if your ads when you can just steal all the Jonas? This upgrade will gives you all the proven ads and creatives that Jonas had used to consistently turn $1 into 10. This is very awesome upgrade. Okay, and the unlimited traffic, the upgrade 3, and upgrade 4 is traffic mastery, and upgrade 5 as usual reseller right. So this is all about Divine Commissions members area. And my final opinion. So Divine Commissions is your key to generating commissions like clockwork, opening the floodgates of buyer traffic and then allowing you to live the laptop lifestyle finally. Yes, because you are using Google Ads and you are getting huge return of investments, $1 to $10 or even $15, $20. This is a huge return of investment and it's proven because Jonas is doing this right now and this is huge. He has turned $3,000 to $30,000. Just imagine that, $27,000 in profit. And if you want to generate passive income, tap into billions of buyers and automate everything and want to live a laptop lifestyle, then Divine Commissions is definitely for you. Yes, it's definitely for you. I highly recommend it. So get this training program now and you too can start generating a full-time income while working less. So I highly recommend it. So I hope this Divine Commissions review will help you to make your purchase decision, and don't forget to take all my exclusive bonuses over $33,000. So guys, this is for today. See you soon.